Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send messages on threads on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, now click here, and now click permissions, and now here you will find send messages in threads. Click on it and click save, and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.